Welcome to Sky Design Live. My name is Erica.
And I'm Gavin.
And today we're going to be reviewing one of our very first product reviews ever over Safetec technology. So Gavin, what do we have?
We have the Safetec travel kit and the Safetec device wipes.
So in our Safetec technology outdoor kit, which we're going to be reviewing first, it comes with all the necessities, Band-Aids, A&D ointment, sunscreen lotion, and it actually also comes with lip balm, which we're going to be reviewing. And then what we're going to talk about next is our Safetec device wipes, which Gavin will be talking about, which is multi-purpose and cleansing on glass and stuff. So without further ado, Gavin, what are we going to start off with?
I'm going to start off with the triple antibiotic ointment. I've got a cut on my thumb, so I'm going to put on this ointment to sanitize the cut.
And I'm going to help him by applying the Band-Aid, which is in the Safetec kit. It's just a normal Band-Aid like any other. So I'm going to peel. Band-Aid is on, and we'll see how well the Band-Aid lasts throughout the video. Next thing we're going to do is the lip balm. I like this because not only is it pomegranate flavored, but you never see lip balm or any chapstick or anything in the
really
ticks. And the things, and especially in this season that we're in is winter, everyone's lips get chapped, they get cracky and bleeding, and it's important to put some on. So I'm just going to apply it on my lips, dab it on a little bit on the front and the upper. It smells good already. There's a lot in here you can share. You definitely are not going to need this all for yourself. Easy to open, and I will let you know how I feel about that at the end of our video. What's next?
We're going to try out the hand sanitizer. I'm just going to open it up here. I'm going to apply a little bit on my...
So he's applying it onto his hand. How does it feel? What's the texture like?
Feels, not too runny, but definitely easy to apply onto my hands.
What's it smell like?
It smells minty, like, React 5 gum.
Can I get a whiff of that? It smells good. So not only are you getting your hands clean, but you're also going to smell nice. So that's a plus.
Definite plus.
And then the last thing we're going to review out of this Safetec kit is the sunscreen. It's always good to have sunscreen no matter what you are, no matter what month you're in, because you know what? I found out recently it can be cloudy and you can get sunburned. So it seemed good to have this during the winter months. So what I'm going to do is just apply it to my cheeks. You can see the white. We're just going to rub that in. Am I doing a good job? Right there? Oh, okay.
A little bit up.
A little bit up here?
Yeah, there you go.
There we go. Happy I have Gavin here. He guts my back. And then it's not oily like some sunscreens are that are very oily. There's a lot in here to cover your body, cover multiple people's faces, multiple kids. But yeah, multiple hours if you're going to be out in the ocean, need it. And yeah, so it's good. I like it. Give it an A+. And then Gavin, now we're going to divert over here. Tell us what this is.
We have the Safetec device wipes. Phones, tablets, computers, anything with a glass screen. Open it up like so. Inside you have a fairly large cloth, so you've got a lot of surface area to wipe with. It's not, full of liquid, so you're not going to have any issues of it like running down and damaging your display or your computer. But yeah, this is
it. And then I have donated my phone, which I'm going to have to take off the case, donated my phone to get a cleansing. So we'll see how well that works. But yeah,
it seems to be taking these fingerprints and other grease right off.
It does, yeah. It works very well, very efficiently, very clean. And I believe you said that we use these in our office, we use these computers, anything, and they can be used on anything, glass, windows, electronics, really anything, tables, so. But yeah, it looks nice, looks like a brand new phone almost.
Yes, it does.
If I didn't have that crack in my glass. Anyway, so overall, I talked about the sunscreen, it's good. My lips, they are a lot softer than they were. They were chapped, and I already noticed a difference. So I actually definitely recommend this lip balm or anything that you maybe find. It actually worked a lot better than I thought it would. And Gavin, how does your Band-Aid hold up?
Band-Aids hold up pretty good. It's still stuck on my thumb, and my hands still smell minty fresh from the hand sanitizer. And the triple antibiotic ointment, by the way, does not burn, so that is always, you know, a plus.
Good. So yeah, overall we give this a A+.
Make sure you smash that like button, ring the notification bell, and subscribe for more content.